Have you ever been somewhere and thought to yourself, wow, I could stay in this moment forever? I felt that way when I met this guy. And together, we seek out that moment in every corner of the world. On the surface, we look different, but we have a lot more in common than meets the eye. We envision a world without borders and boundaries. So, we set out, not to conquer destinations, but to connect them. Every place has a soul. Every culture holds a history. At the heart of it is people, their warmth, their resilience, their spirit, and their stories. When we truly listen and understand, we recognize our differences aren't barriers. They are bridges that unite us. This journey is to prove that vision. Together, we can inspire others that human connection can take down walls and build roads and communities. And sometimes it can even rewrite history and reshape the future. Let's show that love and friendship knows no limits, not in distance, race, or culture. Let's uncover this earth before it covers us.